What's up, Kids Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see here, I have two products from Whitestone Dome. Whitestone Dome was kind enough to send me out some products for my iPhone 13 Pro Max. So we have the Dome Life, the scope case, and the Dome Glass Ease. This is for the back camera on your iPhone 13 Pro Max. And they were also kind enough to send me out their tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but I'm going to do this in a later video. So let's just get right into the video. So first, we're just going to open up the case like so, and we're going to install it on my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Then I'm going to let you get a walk around the case, see what I think about the case, because I didn't know that Whitestone Dome makes cases for phones now. They kind of make cases for some of the devices that they have screen protectors for, which is actually a nice little touch. So first we're going to place the case on the phone like so. I'm going to tell you already, I like the look and the feel of this case. This is nice. Yes, this is nice and snug. As you can see, it fits nice and snug. It's smooth and it's thin, and it also has a clear back so you can show off your case, so you can show off the color of your phone through the case. You get a nice cutout for your cameras. You get your power button. It's nice and clicky. Over here you get your volume up and down button. You get a nice cutout for your alert slider, as you can see here. And at the bottom here you get nice cutouts for your USB charging cable, for your, not USB, but for your charging cable. You get your speakers. At the top here is nothing. It has a nice little lip on it, not nothing too much, but it's enough. You shouldn't have to worry if you lay your phone flat down on the table. But like I always say when I do case videos, is I do recommend you have a screen protector on your device, so if you do happen to place it flat down on the table, you do not have to worry about your actual phone screen getting scratched or messed up. So now we're going to open this up and place it on the device. So now I'm just going to take the case off like so. So Whitestone Dome, good job for making this nice little case. I actually like that case. I really like it a lot. So now we're going to open up this product for the glass, and I'm actually glad they sent this to me because I was going to buy one soon, but I hadn't got around to doing it. This is a 2-pack, and it's important to keep your camera protected also. Some people don't want to do that because it looks stupid. Okay, so now it is open like so. You get your information guide, but I will not be needing this because this should be easy, so I'm just gonna flick it over there. You get your dust removable stickers. If you want to use these, you can. I probably won't use them. You get your, this is for your camera, cover to give you a little bit more protection on your camera. I'm going to put that right there. You also get a wet and dry, I believe this is a wet wipe. You get this here so you can clean your camera up, and you also get your handy dandy microfiber cleaning cloth. Sorry, tongue twister. I have a whole bunch of these. So now all you want to do, my camera is pretty much clean. All you want to do is just peel off your sticker like so. Don't touch the back. Try not to touch the back. And you just want to line everything up. Simple as that. So you just want to take it here, hold it like this, pick up the phone and just do a quick line up just like that, and you are good to go. So now you have something covering your camera, and now you also have a nice case from Whitestone Dome. So now you do not have to worry about your camera getting messed up, and you don't have to worry about your device getting messed up. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.